Hello, welcome to another V's Cards video. My name is mvcuic and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Australia. And in this video, I'm going to show you another way of using your Rustic Christmas countdown kit. Plus, I'm going to spoil you with a bonus project all under 10 minutes. Let's begin by first of all looking at our kit. Essentially, they are 25 pocketed treat bags, which you build with all the items in the kit. You have the option of using the crumb cake twine to hang it up on your tree if you like. The numbered items are circled in red, but we can use them without exposing the numbers. I've already unpacked the contents of my kit and I am now putting together other items that I already have, and I'm going to experiment mixing and matching with these items to pair up with the Rustic Christmas countdown kit. The purpose of this video is to share ideas with you and to encourage you to experiment, try new things and have fun exploring. The Rustic Christmas countdown kit goes a long way. This idea is a great mini gift to gift to 20 or so friends, neighbours or colleagues without spending too much. And you don't have to start using it on the 1st of December either. And that's versatile. So you can use up your various punches or dies to create a shape to hide away the number and still make it look good with the framing of the patterned paper or the gold foiling. This means that the kit can be versatile to share amongst friends, family and colleagues. You could sit together and do a crafting session together over some conversation and coffee or treats, and each of you would have a stocking filler or two to take home with you. So all I've done is found a stamp greeting and stamped it on a piece of paper, cutting out the shape so that it covers the numbers and still giving a nice border and marrying it together with the treat holder. I encourage you to experiment at home with what you already have, and also if you want to grab some more Christmas products, the mini catalogue is still running, but we've got some retiring products at a great discount, so grab them while you can. If you're in Australia and you don't have a Stampin' Up demonstrator, please choose me. I would love your business. Thank you. Here are 3 different ways of adhering the parts together. The first way is to adhere the sentiment on the pouch and the decoration on the peg. The next way is to adhere the sentiment and all the decorations together, but not attached to the peg nor the pouch. And finally, the third way is to adhere the sentiment and the decoration onto the lid or the flap of the pouch. I should explain that each kit has their own visual diagram, step-by-step instructions on how to put pieces together, so you could instead follow those instructions. And now I'm going to show you how to thread the twine in through the peg and create a knot so that you have a hanging point if you wanted to hang up your treat bag onto your tree. So what fits in this pouch? I know that a Freddo would, and so would 2 or 3 after dinner mints. But please, in the comment section, let me know what you found to fit inside the pouches or any suggestions. Thank you so much. And while you're in the mood, I ask you to please like this video. And for anyone who is not yet a subscriber, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. And here are the papers that I use to decorate the pegs. To decorate the peg, I'm first measuring it and then I'm going to cut out the designer paper and adhere it using liquid adhesive. I did mismeasure the first time. It should have been 1.1 centimetres in width, so bear that in mind. So it's measure, cut and glue. Pretty simple. Okay, now we're up to the bonus project. I was inspired by the paper pixie and I'll have the link in the description below. There was a few things I wanted to change up in this project. I didn't really love the hole punching and the bow seemed to be complicated, and if you were to undo it then you wouldn't be able to redo it again. I wanted to try a loose long gift tag to be attached, so I tried to modify it to suit my needs. I'm going to stamp quite a few stamps in case I make any mistakes, and I am planning to make quite a few bars anyway. My plan is to stamp in real red the sentiment and then add decorations using Mossy Meadow to match the specialty paper. I am using a retired stamp for the pine, but I'll give you 2 pages or 8 products worth of different stamps that you could use instead, most of which are retiring or at clearance. Can you see the possibilities of the images you could use in these stamp sets? I sure can. Go for something small because it's already a small tag. I used my tailored tag dies to cut out the sentiment, and I used a thin real red ribbon to tie around a retired gold bulldog clip. You can use whatever clip you have at home, and if you don't have a thin red ribbon, try some twine. We've almost reached the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. As you may already know, my videos are published every 3 weeks, but in 3 weeks' time it'll be New Year's Eve, so I'll probably publish something a week before or after that. Please subscribe and click on the bell icon. Click on all for notifications so you know exactly when to expect my video. Thanks again, happy crafting and Merry Christmas.